Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will guide you on how to download OBS Studio for free on your PC. OBS Studio is a tool that allows you to record your videos in high-definition HD or 4000 quality. Additionally, I will provide you with the necessary settings to record your video in HD quality. Please follow my steps carefully to download OBS Studio and get started with your video recording. To download OBS Studio on your computer, open your web browser and search for OBS Studio Download. Once you find the website, open it and select your operating system. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows option and wait for the download to start. Once it's finished, open the downloaded file and install OBS Studio on your system. Click Finish to open OBS Studio. Let's adjust some settings to improve video quality. Open Settings and follow my steps. Enter your current screen resolution here, and also repeat it. If you are recording a normal window, then adjust FPS to 30. If you are recording a game, then adjust it to 60 FPS.